Hello and welcome to Cypherdog. Today I'll be showing you how to set up and install our encryption app for the Apple Mac. So first of all, you need to head to our website. So head to www.cypher.dog. Just let that load. Once you're on the website, head to download CEE, so the top left box. You can scroll down and then you want to click on Mac, which is the middle one. So click on that. Let that download. That will download the file automatically. Once it's downloaded, head to the folder. And there we go. That's the installation setup. So double click on that and then double click on the installer. So once you've done that, it will open the file. With Apple, sometimes Apple has a bit of a weird thing where it can't check all of the software, especially for products that it doesn't know very well. So it says things that it might be malicious, but it's not. So you can just go ahead and click open and it will take you straight to the install wizard. So let that set up. Again, it should only take a second. Okay, so now you're in the wizard. This is set up with just click next. If you want to install the file in any particular place, you can, but just leave it as normal, which is what I've done here. So once you've done that, make sure those two boxes are ticked if you would, want those, and click next, and then the encryption app will start to install. It should only take a second. It's not a large file, and there we go. So that's installed. So what you can do now is, if you want to run the Cypherdog Encryption app, just click finish, and it will automatically start. And that's how you install our encryption app. Once you've installed the app, what you need to do, we brought up this menu here. If you want to allow alerts, just go ahead and do that. And then what you want to do is click register. So you can register as a new user. So go ahead and click register. Okay, so let's register you as a user. So to register, you need to fill in your email address. So go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, you need to enter in your password. This has to be 8 characters long, 1 capital letter, 1 special character, and 1 digit. You're going to go ahead then and repeat that password. Once you've done that, click next, and it will send you to the next page where it say you need to activate the link. So you check your emails because the activation link has been sent to that. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to head to my emails now. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm in my Gmail. As you see, receive an email that says activate your Cypherdog account. So you need to scroll down. And where it says click here to confirm your email address, click on that. It will bring up a page now to say, there you go, your account has been activated. So you know it's been activated if that screen comes up. Okay, so now we can head back to the app, click next. And now we need to set our key password. This is very important, this key. So this key is for generated, and it's when you log in, you'll be required to enter this password each time. So go ahead and enter that password. Once again, it's 8 characters, 1 special character, 1 capital letter, 1 digit, and repeat that password as well. So this is for setting the key. Click OK. There we go. It will bring you up a little box now. So that it says, in a moment, the Cypherdog email encryption application will start installing the certificate, which is necessary for proper operation of the application. So it will go ahead and it will install that certificate. Okay, so once you're at this box, click check. You may get this warning box come up here, which you'll see here that it says it hasn't installed the personal CA correctly. Just click reinstall, click OK, and it will bring you to the system roots page. So click reinstall, and this is the system roots, the keychain access page. It just shows you that it hasn't actually been given access to the certificate. So double click on it, click trust, and click always trust. That way it can recognize the personal CA, and you won't have that warning box come up again. So update the settings, enter your password if you need to enter your admin password in to do that, and allow the personal CA, and then head back to the app. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Here we go, and click check. So enter in your password, and there we go. So everything is ready, and you can start using the app now. Okay, so once everything has been installed, all the keys are set up, and the certificate's installed correctly, we can go ahead now and use the app. So to do that, head over to the icon at the top, click unlock private key, and then enter in the password. So this is the password that you registered with. So once you've done that, click OK. Now you can able to use the app. So you know your full access to our encryption app. So right click and I'll talk you through all the settings. So first of all, if you click on About, this will tell you just information about Cypherdog and the software itself. You can also view the terms of service here and the privacy policy. Next, if we head to settings, here you can see the account. So if you need to see your license information, you can here. This will tell you when it's valid to, the type of license that you have. If you want to change the license by entering codes, you can do here. It will also tell you about locking the key. So the password key that you registered, it will lock you out of it. You can choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, whatever on that list that you would like to choose. So that will just how long it will keep the app open for. Languages here as well, which is self-explanatory. And then finally, email aliases, which I'll show you here now. We'll get that set up. So email aliases. This allows you to receive encrypted messages to more than one email address. So a pair of keys are generated for the main email address, and you get to use basically be able to receive multiple encrypted messages to multiple email addresses. So let's go ahead and just set one of those up, and I'll show you how to use it now. So this is an email address that I'm going to set up. What you need to do is click Add Alias, enter in the email address, and then it will send an email to that email address, and I'll ask you to confirm it. So click OK. So the aliases has been added. You need to head to your email address for the one that you set up, and then click Confirm Alias Email. Head down and click here to confirm your email address. So it looks something like this. So click there, and then you'll get a success. So here we go. That says that it's all been correctly set up. To check that it's been successfully set up, what you can do then is head back to Aliases and go in and click on Refresh List. And once you've done that, it will bring up the email address to show you that it's successfully been added. So that's how you set up and install Cypherdog Encryption app for the Mac. Thank you for watching this video.